Yep, so hello, welcome to YouTube. Today they're installing the new doorbell and what is this called?
Ring.
So this is a camera doorbell.
Uh-huh. See who's coming to the door.
Going out, you order that.
Okay.
So
You can program it on your
My
phone.
phone. This guy go outside because
You can program it, so I don't know why when I want to program them.
can my tablet also be programmed too?
no, guy.
I don't know who gets it. I was just told to put them in
Why?
so that they can see who's at the door.
Because you open the door every time.
So you can program on your tablet or phone?
I'm not.
Who is?
I don't know who's doing it.
Staff?
No, managers, house managers.
Not that.
No stuff.
Manager?
Yeah.
Taylor, is that her name?
Kate.
Kate
Kate.
is?
Yeah.
I know one of them's following behind me. That's all I know.
Yeah, but right now they're installing it, so let's just watch and see.
Oops.
I'm excited to see how this thing runs.
No organic classroom.
Also, gotta be careful at the door too, because the wind could blow this thing shut. Right now, he is screwing the...
I'm gonna hook the power to it.
Yeah. So what can that thing do?
You can talk to people who's at the door with it,
Yeah.
and it shows you who's at the door. That's about it.
What's white and what's red? Which
White
one?
is your common, and red is your power.
Yes, white is the common, red's the power. Was that the doorbell?
No, it's my phone.
Oh,
This will light up when it's when the power comes on.
yeah. Now he's just screwing in. Be careful. Did it just light up?
Yep, see the thing blinking?
Is it because it's connected to wire?
Oh, it's got to be set up for all that.
I mean, it did turn on.
Welcome to Ring, the world's most advanced doorbell. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
I just heard it talk. They recently just hooked it up right there in the wall. So. You can see the blue light circling. Now he's peeling the stuff off. Cover on. Security. And kind of just safety for the rain and snow. Weatherproof.
That's it.
Yeah. Where's the cameras?
Right here's the camera.
Oh, let me test it.
This is the doorbell button, but it's thinking right now, so we can't push it yet.
Yeah. Are you doing it like every house or just here? Every house?
Yeah.
Is it ready for the app?
No. Yeah. I think so.
I'm gonna get it thinking.
That's the doorbell.
Okay. There it is.
I'm done.
Yeah, they just tested it. So it works. Well,
Kate, I think is coming by. Taylor, I don't know. One of them will be by in a little bit.
for the app. Okay. Well, they just installed the doorbell. Peace out.